Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a real problem that I personally faced in my career, and how that problem pushed me to build a custom application inside AutoCAD. A few years back, I was working as a proposal engineer and handling a team of around 10 people. The team was very diverse. Some were BE graduates, some were diploma holders, and a few had only completed ITI. Because of these different backgrounds, everyone had their own mindset and their own way of working. Our daily job involved preparing many AutoCAD drawings, such as enquiry drawings, proposal drawings, G.A.D. drawings, and production drawings. But every team member was saving files in their own style. Some used different naming formats. Some saved files in random folders. And some forgot to mention important details in the file name. To solve this problem, I tried to train them. I created standard formats and explained how to name each file, which folder to save it in, how to include customer name, project name, inquiry number, and revision details. The idea was simple. If everyone followed the same method, any user could easily track anyone else's work. But in reality, it didn't work. Even after multiple trainings, files were still saved incorrectly, naming formats were inconsistent, and tracking drawings became very difficult. Finally, I realized that human discipline alone cannot solve this problem. That is when I decided to build something that would force a standard process. I wanted a system where the user must enter crucial details like customer name, project name, inquiry number, drawing type, whether it is a proposal drawing or a G.A.D. drawing, revision number, date of creation, and the correct project folder before saving any drawing. So I decided to build a custom application inside AutoCAD. An application that would collect all necessary information, generate a proper file name automatically, select the correct folder, and save the drawing in the right format. To create this tool, I took help from ChatGPT and AutoCAD programming techniques. Now that I have successfully built and used this application, I want to share this knowledge with others. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can also build such an application. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to create an AutoCAD automation tool, capture user inputs, generate structured file names, and save drawings in a standardized way. This will help you reduce errors, maintain proper data structure, improve team coordination, and save a lot of time. So without wasting any more time, let us jump into AutoCAD and start building this application. Let's begin. Now, switching to the AutoCAD and ChatGPT, here I am using VS Code for the better loading speed of the Lisp file. Let's go to Chat for the action. You can type the prompt which I used here, and set the named format as you required. provides us the Lisp file code. The first run code will never be the correct one at the first run, we had to refine it as we go. Save the given code to the desired folder using LSP as extension. Test the command and we can see that the DCL file runs correctly but not in the format as I wanted. I had to refine it using ChatGPT again. I went to the ChatGPT and asked for the specific details which I wanted. See the DCL fields are in perfect order, the radio buttons are perfect. Here I wanted the file path and browse button which are present and the file saved at the given path. Mistakenly forgot to mention at the end of the file path, which saved the file at incorrect address. Users need to take action such that we can modify the ChatGPT that it gets that forgotten character written in its code and allows user to save file at correct path. Here's the example of ChatGPT plus AutoCAD. Users can automate simple repetitive tasks which consumes the time and allows user to work freely and in the creative way. If you found this video useful, then do like, share and subscribe. For any special requirements, mail us at parkcalc.consultants@gmail.com, email it given in the description as well. We will try to record the problem and solve it as earliest as possible.